Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Deb Hen here. Thank you so much for joining me this week. This week we are doing something so nice. I got the I got the storage bin from Reliable here in Milan, and I wanted to make it look pretty and go well with my daughter's bedroom. So I am going to transform this baby into something beautiful. Stay with me as I make a toy box. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please like and share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell notification so you are notified whenever I upload a video. Without further ado, let's get to the video.